Harley Davidson Road Glide Special. Best Adventure Motorcycle Milwaukee-Eight 114V Twin. The 2021 Harley Davidson Road Glide Special is part of Harley Davidson's new Hot Rod Baggers grouping. Let's break down what's new on the Road Glide Special, as well as take a look at the latest colors and finishes. 1. Harley Davidson riders after dark will appreciate the new Daymaker headlight. It uses LEDs to show you the way when the sun goes down. 2. The Boom Box 6.5 GT audio system has a GPS and touchscreen. Android Auto and Apple CarPlay are standard, though you need a compatible smartphone to make it all work. 3. Low-slung steel bars protect the motor in a tip-over. 4. You have a choice of two finishes, chrome and black. It may be counterintuitive, but chrome is more expensive than black by $900. 5. There are 5 color combinations at your beck and call. Vivid Black, Billiard Teal, Midnight Crimson, Snake Venom, and the two-tone Billiard Red/Vivid Black. Of the options, Vivid Black is the least expensive, with Snake Venom upping the ante by $1,200 over the base color. 6. The range of MSRPs is $26,699 to $28,799. The Vivid Black with a chrome finish is the least expensive. The priciest choice is the stunning Snake Venom with a black finish. Harley Davidson Road Glide Special Specifications. Engine Type: Milwaukee-Eight 114V Twin. Displacement: 114 cubic inches, 1868 cubic centimeters. Borax stroke: 4.016 inches by 4.5 inches. Maximum torque: 118 feet per lbs at 3,250 rpm. Compression ratio: 10.5 to 1. Valvetrain, single cam with pushrods, 4 VPC. Cooling: air and oil. Lubrication: dry sump. Transmission: 6-speed cruise drive. Clutch: hydraulically actuated with assist and slipper functions. Primary drive: chain. Final drive: belt. Chassis. Frame: mild tubular steel with 2-piece stamped and welded backbone. Front suspension: travel, Showa 49mm dual bending valve, 4.6 inches. Rear suspension: travel, emulsion shocks with hand adjustable spring preload, 2.1 inches. Wheels: gloss black Prodigy. Front wheel: 19 by 3.5. Rear wheel: 18 by 5. Front tire: 130/60x19, Dunlop Harley Davidson Series D408F. Rear tire: 180/55x18, Dunlop Harley Davidson Series D407T. Front brakes: 300mm floating discs W/4 piston calipers. Rear brake: 300mm fixed discs W/4 piston caliper. ABS standard. Dimensions and capacities. Wheelbase: 64 inches. Seat height: 27.4 inches. Rake: 26 degrees. Fork angle: 29.25 degrees. Trail: 6.8 inches. Fuel capacity: 6 gallons. Estimated fuel consumption: 43 miles per gallon. Curb weight: 853 pounds. Colors/finishes and prices. Vivid Black, chrome finish $26,699 MSRP. Billiard Teal, chrome finish $27,199. Midnight Crimson, chrome finish $27,199. Vivid Black, black finish $27,599. Billiard Red/Vivid Black, chrome finish $27,699. Snake Venom, chrome finish $27,899. Billiard Teal, black finish $28,099. Midnight Crimson, black finish $28,099. Billiard Red/Vivid Black, black finish $28,599. Snake Venom, black finish $28,799.